Make a great choice today with
the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.